Alright, so I wanted to do an exact 3-week update. So today is 3 weeks to the day since I planted everything. These are our first set of zinnia that germinated and are transplanted. Doing pretty well here, getting some height. This here with some mold, I think it's like powdery mold or something growing on it, is the cabbage plant. It's not doing too well. I think it's too hot. It's about 87 degrees today already, and it's around 2 p.m. And it was in the mid 90s yesterday. So I know cabbage isn't a huge fan of this high heat. Here are the other cabbages. That one looks like it's trying to escape. It's unrooted itself. And then there's the other set. They seem to be doing okay. And we have the other zinnia doing pretty well. These two are pretty tall, so I'm gonna transplant those. We got a little mold swamp going on right there. Then these are the echinacea or coneflowers. They just started germinating the last few days, so we'll see. Here are the strawberries that I planted in these little pots. I think there's about 4 that have germinated. Oh, I see something. That's new. It's kind of nothing there. There's 2 here. I believe these were the first 2 that germinated. Here is one of the San Marzanos that I removed. Here are the other San Marzanos, and we have just about almost 100% germination rate on these. Today I'm gonna up pot these 2 that are sharing, and I may just up pot the rest of them because we have true leaves now. Then these are the homestead tomatoes. Let me back up a little bit. These 2 are the homesteads. These are the only 2 that really survived. These are a determinate variety. There's one there. I don't think that's gonna make it. We'll see. And there's one also, but it ain't looking too good. And then these are the money makers. They're doing fairly well also. I'll probably have to, oh, that's actually 3. Wow. Y'all have to thin these and up pot them. I don't like to just throw away seeds. I know a lot of people, they take like the best one and discard the others, but I'll probably just try to up pot all 3. There's another one there. Then we have the Cali Wonder green peppers. They're doing pretty well. They just started germinating this week. I think they'll be fine. Oh, and here's one more strawberry. So I think we're doing pretty good. It's just such a drastic change in the temperatures. And I have been, like the last 2 nights, I did keep them outside overnight. So hopefully they are well hardened off and we will get some vegetables. All right, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Just giving a 4-week update on the seeds I planted. I've up potted some of them. Here's a San Marzano tomato, looking good. These are Copenhagen cabbage, and I just watered everything. This is another Copenhagen cabbage, another San Marzano. These is strawberries. Not doing so well in these little pots. I don't like them. I mentioned that before. They dry out too quick. Strawberries really aren't growing.
Here are some zinnias. I up-potted these into these horrible little planters. Another San Marzano, doing well. Got a little something happening down there, but it's okay. Sunflower. I planted this in the zinnia tray. Those were former zinnia locations. Got a little swamp happening there. 3 more zinnia. These are also 2 sunflowers I planted from places where the San Marzanos were removed. These are the other San Marzanos still remaining. I definitely need to think about up-potting those as well. These are the California Wonder green peppers. They took the longest to germinate, but they're doing all right. These are the echinacea or coneflower. They're very, very slow growing. Again, we have a little swamp there, so I'm not sure about those yet, but I'll keep you updated. Then these are the homestead tomatoes, which are determinants. They're doing very well.
Those are actually the money maker tomatoes, not the homestead tomatoes. And then the next ones that I show,
then we have
these are the homestead tomatoes.
I only had 2 successfully germinate. The others, bad happened to them, but the 2 that are growing look well. And I will keep you updated. Just wanted to do a quick update on the dollar store seeds. These are the marigolds, doing very well. We have 2 blossoms and 2 possibles. So, oh, make it a 3rd. Very excited. 4th. Looking very well. Let me turn it around. It's been pretty hot lately. We've had some 90-degree days. Yesterday was 97 degrees. I think today will be about the same. So they were pretty wilted yesterday, but I just watered and they're looking great. Here are the petunias. Also doing well. Hopefully we'll get a full blossom today. But they've really taken off in the last few days too. Then we also have these other stray seeds. I think that's a marigold. I think actually both of those may be marigolds. I think that's another petunia also right there. But they are looking good. And then we have this mystery thing. Might be a tree. But we'll see. But looking good. And then these were the free seeds that I had. They're gone. I still don't know what anything is. These kind of look like petunias also. Not sure. But I'll continue to watch them. I'm enjoying watching them grow. I think whatever these are, they did not like the extreme heat of the past few days. They're doing. And then let me show you 2 the Sweet Williams that were planted last year. Yeah, just looking great.